everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making banana chocolate chip ice cream in the ice cream maker. So a friend of mine reached out and asked if I could make some banana ice cream for her boyfriend for his birthday, since it's one of his favorites. So we're going to make the real stuff, not the vegan mashed banana style. This one's got real cream, real sugar, real egg yolks. It's pretty easy to make, and honestly it's so much better than the store-bought stuff. So if you're interested in learning how to make it, just stick around.
The first thing you're going to do is set your stovetop to medium heat and add 1 cup of whole milk. Next, you're going to add 2/3 a cup of sugar. And finally, you're going to add 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. So we're going to continue to stir until everything is completely dissolved. You'll know that the mixture is done when you start to get some little bubbles forming around the side, but we want to make sure that we're not letting it boil. Next, you're going to turn your stovetop down low and you're going to grab 5 whisked egg yolks. We're going to slowly add some of our milk mixture to our egg yolks to help temper them so we don't get scrambled eggs when we mix it all together. Once you've added about half of your milk mixture to your egg mixture, we're going to combine the two over low heat while continuously stirring. We're going to continue to cook our mixture over low heat while constantly stirring to make sure that nothing is sticking. Continue to stir the mixture until it thickens slightly and you get a thin coat on the back of your spatula. Once your egg and milk mixture is done, you're going to add 2 cups of very cold heavy cream to a bowl. Next, you're going to slowly add your egg mixture to your cream and continuously stir until it's all well incorporated. Once everything is well mixed, you're going to set that aside and grab your blender. You're going to add 3 very ripe mashed bananas to your blender. Next, you're going to add about half of your cream mixture to the blender, and you're going to blend on high until completely incorporated. Once everything's been pureed until smooth, you're going to add that back into your cream mixture and you're going to mix that all together. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Next, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of rum to your mixture. You won't really taste this in the final product. It just helps the ice cream stay a little bit soft and not get too hard in the freezer. Any ice cream maker will work for this recipe, but this is the one that I'm using. We're going to set up our ice cream machine by grabbing our frozen bowl from the freezer. Next, we're going to set our timer for 25 minutes. We're going to start our ice cream machine and we're slowly going to add our chilled mixture into the top. When there's about 5 minutes left on your timer, you're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now you can absolutely have your ice cream just like this. It's delicious. But I personally like to put it in the freezer for another couple of hours just to let it get a little bit harder.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested in more fun and easy recipe videos like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post a new video every single week.